So, you're interested in vinyl replacement windows, but of course you want to make sure you choose the best option for your home. After doing some research, you quickly realized that not all vinyl is created equal, and there may be more factors than you realized in selecting the best vinyl window for you. In this video, we're going to walk you through 4 simple steps so that you can find the right vinyl replacement window for your home. Hi, I'm Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. If you're interested in vinyl windows, you want to make sure you outline all your goals to choose the right vinyl type for you. You must have realistic expectations about the quality and cost of the window. So let's take a look at the 4 steps to finding the right vinyl replacement window for you. Step number 1, outline how you want your vinyl windows to perform. While the type of vinyl on the window is important for its durability, longevity, and efficiency, you want to know that the window was made well and is strong in its craftsmanship. Whether you visit a showroom or have a contractor bring samples into your home, you must analyze the craftsmanship of the window. Look at the welding around the frame and the corners of the window. If they're sloppy, this is not a good sign. The last thing you want is to pay $1,200 for a high-quality vinyl window, only for it to break at the seams. Step number 2, think about how long you want your vinyl windows to last. If you're looking at standard, low-cost vinyl windows, you cannot expect them to last for the next 20 years in your home. If you want your vinyl windows to last for a lifetime in your home, then you're going to want to choose a high-quality, engineered vinyl that is proven to last. This is why it's crucial to outline your goals and have realistic expectations for the cost and quality of your new vinyl windows. Step number 3. Consider what you want your vinyl windows to look like. While the durability and longevity of your windows are important, you want to know that they are going to look how you want them to. Whether you want to customize every design element of your window or just want to choose the color, having options is important. If you want a darker colored exterior, like navy, black, or gray, then you want to make sure that you choose a high-quality vinyl window that is fade resistant. Other vinyl windows may not offer these darker colors because of their susceptibility to fade. Step number 4, know what to look for in the warranty of your vinyl windows. Familiarize yourself with the lifetime, inclusions, and exclusions of the window's warranty. If you plan to be in your home forever and want your windows to last just as long, then you don't want a window with a warranty of just 5 years. You also want to ensure your warranty will cover the defects for the window. For example, if you choose a standard vinyl window and the warranty does not cover cracking or fading, then this is a red flag. But if you only need to replace your windows for the next year you live in your home, then the warranty may not be as important to you at this time. Finding the best vinyl window for you. After you pick your new vinyl windows, you may be looking for a contractor who can install them to your standards. We have a great video linked down below highlighting 6 things to consider when looking for a window replacement contractor. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.
Want more home solutions? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you.